Welcome back, dear creatives. My name is Angela once again, and I was able to do 7 pleats here. This is the first 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is the 7th pleat. So this is the other part left for the back of my gele. So this is your base. All right. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to step 2. Now you're going to be working with your other base. I call it base 2. You know, we have 6 of this. 1, 2, 3, and this is the other 3 that we just pleated. Okay, so I'm going to also pleat this one, but this pleat is going to be bolder, like this. You know, the other one was just like this, so this one is going to be very bold. Like, I'm just going to fold it like this. Okay, this is the right side, so I'm going to fold it like this. Okay, fold it the same way. I'm going to sew. You can just measure it. Let it be not more than, let me use my measuring tape, like 2 inches. Okay, so I'm going to fold 2 inches this way. I'm going to sew like this down to the other edge. I'm also going to fold another 2 inches on top like this. I'm going to sew and fold another 2 inches on top and fold. So this should give me like 5, 6, 7 pleats too. So instead of making my pleats stay on each other like this, show you this other part, no, I'm going to cover it up. Okay, so cover your pleats. Unlike this one, this is the first step. This is the one that will be at the forehead. Okay, and this part is going to be on top of this like this. So I'm going to, okay, this is how it is. I left allowance for the one underneath to show, but this part you are going to cover up the one underneath. So 2 inches fold, I'll sew this way, and I also cover it like this with another 2 inches, and I'm going to sew. So let me quickly do that, and I'll show you how it looks like when I'm done. All right, quickly, I just want to show you how to go about it, just in case you don't understand what I just explained. So this is my first fold, and I'm folding the second one directly on top of it. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and sew it for you to see. So I'm sewing it directly on top of it, and I'm not leaving anyone behind to show. Okay, so don't forget to always backstitch. Okay, okay, so I'm going to go about it like this. Okay, so I'm going to just sew it down to the other edge and sew the rest, and I'll show you how it looks like when I'm done. All right, welcome back, dear creative. So this is how it looks. All right, this is it here. So I'm going to put this aside, and I'll go to step 3. Now the step 3 is pleating your fan. Don't forget, we are making a fan auto gele. So I'm going to start from the edge. Now this is 80 inches long, and that is how most of the ashoke, come. This is 80 inches. All right, if you measure this, so you can just use your full length. This is the full length. So I'm going to pleat all of this. You don't need to cut anyone out. So I'm using the full length. So once you get your ashoke, just take one out of the bundle, okay, and leave that one for the fan, which is what I'm about to show you. Now I'm going to start from this edge here. Okay, this is the long part. This is the length of your ashoke. So I'm going to start from this part. You'll be needing a lot of pin for this because we are pleating the fan. All right, so I'm going to start like this. I'm going to fold and pin. All right, I want you to take note of this part. So by the time you fold the second one, make sure the one you folded first hides under it. Therefore, the one you are pleating next should be above like this before you pin. All right, so this is how it looks. I'm going to go about it again. So by the time you are folding the next one, make sure it's coming on top. See, don't let it show here at all. So I'm going to go ahead and pin. Okay, so you fold again. All right, I hope you're seeing what I'm doing. So make sure it's covering the one behind before you pin, and as you're doing that, it will start forming a curve just the way I'm doing it. I'm going to go ahead to fold again, and I'm going to pin like this. All right, it's so easy, but you need to be very careful. Just take notes, because if you don't hide this one behind it like this, you are going to see the effect by the time you are joining your fan to your base. All right, so this is how it looks. So I'm going to go ahead and pleat it all around till I get to the other end. Don't forget to like us on Facebook at Alluredbyruby. Don't forget to drop your questions and comments. Follow us on Instagram at Alluredbyruby. And please, our videos are not for sale. If there's anyone trying to sell our videos to you, please contact the number on your screen. So I'm still pleating my fan. All right, so if you take notes, you cannot see anyone under. So I'm going to go ahead and do that till I get to the other end, and I'll show you how it looks like when I'm done.